This is how to link items in Monday.com. First, this is the board you'll be linking items with the new one. They're submitted through column and phone column. Going to this Students for Research board, choose Add Column, then Connect Board, which will enable you to select a specific board. Choosing Create a Mirror column will show you all the columns available. You can link different boards each column. Keep adding additional columns and go to each cell or box and type item name from the chosen board, and it will auto-paste itself. That is how you link items in Monday.com.